Okay, welcome back IED to 2.1.3, the on-shape selfie-stick assembly. This is video 4, the final video for our assembly. And we're going to go ahead and put the pin into the shoe bottom here, and then we will attach that to the phone holder, and then we'll attach that entire component to the actual phone shoe bottom up here on the selfie stick. And in order to do all three of those mates, we will be using the fasten mate here in the beginning, where we're basically attaching surface areas to one another. So I will turn on the fasten mate. I'm going to zoom in and find the pin with the bottom of the surface area, and then from there, oops, I can rotate my object over. Let's roll out of here, and then I can zoom in again, and I want to find that area, but I want to make sure that I get the surface area of that shoe bottom, not the actual hole that's inside. So if I hover over that, it will attach itself and highlight for you. And once I have that in place, like that, and I can go ahead and for us, for level 1, we're doing something different. We're going back and selecting mates continuously for practice. So I will go back up to the quick access toolbar. I will select the fasten mate, and now this time I want to put the pin that's inside the shoe bottom here into this part of the phone holder. So I'm going to pick the cylindrical part, but I want it to be here where it's highlighting the surface area of the shoe bottom. And then on our phone case, if you hover, it should find it for you as well. And let's flip that and accept it. And now we have that entire assembly for those components put together. The last assembly we'll want to do is, again, a fasten. And this time I'm going to want to fasten the pin head. So I'm going to hover over the pin head, find that axis, rotate around, and I want to attach it to the surface area here of the shoe bottom that's in the selfie stick. And I will hover and find that. Now it's only going to show you the pin to start with, which is okay, but once you flip the axis and you hit the green check mark, it'll bring in the rest of that component for you. And let's go ahead and close that out. And now we have our fully assembled selfie stick. So if we zoom out, you know, the selfie stick should be able to go up and down. You have your rotation. Then we have our phone holder that goes in and out as well. And that's the selfie stick for our assembly file. All right, IED students, hope you enjoyed it. Check back later. We will be doing some what are called change orders to work on some components. For example, this threaded component here, we did not add that rotation around that. We only did the translation, not the rotation. So I will see you all shortly.